tells you how to use Claude AI to write Python scripts. If you are using Claude AI and you want to write any Python script, so let's see how can do that. So you can easily use your Claude AI to write Python scripts with no coding experience. If you have no coding experience, so you can easily use your Claude AI. You have to simply open your Claude AI, and here the very first thing you have to make sure that you are logged in or signed into your account. Now, once you are here you have to simply type a single prompt. So if you are trying to say Claude AI to write Python scripts or something like that, so you have to don't try this. You have to try something very describably or detailed. So here I have a simple smart prompt. I'm gonna pasting it here. You can see that I have write a Python 3 script that reads a CSV file for sales data, groups by month, calculate the total revenue, and saves the results of a new CSV. Use pandas, includes comments, and handle missing values. So you can see it has a complete descriptions and all the requirements. You can also customize these requirements if you want to. You can also change the topic here with which you want to write a Python script. Once you have done, you have to simply click on the submit option, and after that Claude AI will write a Python script for you. You just have to wait for some moment, and you can see that it's writing a Python script. You can also get a preview. So here's a preview, and where our file is ready. So you can see it's a complete Python script. You can easily download it from here. You can also copy, or you have a download option. You can also publish it, but I'm gonna download it from here. Just click on download and it will download it for you. You can also share it and save it to your PC. So in this way, you can easily write Python scripts using Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.